The great unknown. The ocean is a dark, cold place. We have explored less than 5% of it. That means 95% of the world beneath the waves is a complete mystery. It is a world of total silence, or so we thought. In the deepest parts of the sea, something is making noise. Sounds so loud and so strange that they defy logic. The ears of the deep. To listen to the ocean. These are special underwater microphones. They're scattered across the seafloor, whales, earthquakes, or ships. But sometimes they pick up something impossible. The most famous sound happened in 1997. Scientists called it the Bloop. It was incredibly loud. It was heard by sensors over 3,000 miles apart. At first, people were terrified. The sound profile looked like it came from a living creature. But if it were an animal, it would have to be much larger than a blue whale. It would have to be a monster. 2 years later, they heard Julia. It lasted for 15 seconds. It sounded like a hollow, eerie moaning. Then there is Upsweep. This sound is rhythmic, like a long electronic
Strange
siren.
sounds let Bloop
It
echo
has
from
been
the deep.
heard every
Could it be
year
ice
since
or something unknown?
1991. It gets louder in the spring and quieter in the fall. It sounds like the ocean is trying to tell us something. What is it? What could cause these sounds? Some scientists say it is ice quakes, the sound of massive icebergs cracking. Others think it is underwater volcanoes or deep-sea gas vents. But many questions remain. Icebergs don't usually make rhythmic sirens. Volcanoes don't sound like breathing. Could there be something living down there? Something so deep and so big that we haven't found it yet? The deeper you go, the higher the pressure. The sunlight disappears. It is a place where we are not meant to be. But even if we can't see what is down there, we can hear it. And whatever's making those sounds, it's still there, waiting